Okay, guys. So we went back to the trail. It was destroyed, as we said. Then we went back, pretty much passed out. We're here today again so that we could do the blue trail, the blue pool trail, I mean. This one seems a lot nicer so far. It's not as strenuous as the other one, except for maybe climbing over some rocks in the river.
And boulders.
Yeah, and boulders, but it's pretty easy. It's nice.
So far, no collapsing trees or fallen trees.
Yeah, so this one is in better shape. So yeah, we'll see you a little way down the road.
Any monkeys yet?
No.
How long is this trail?
It's about 4.5 kilometers. I think that's one way. Not positive yet, but we'll see. There was a little confusion.
What does that say?
15 minutes to base.
We have no idea what base is.
That's just to turn back around. If you really don't want to go on the full trail, you can take this way to get there. But this is the way that you want to go, with the big red sign, and it says in English, blue pool. What you were saying, it's difficult?
For them it's difficult.
Oh yeah, I guess for them. Actually, your mom would get to the river part, the rocks. She would watch us go across, and she'd say, I cannot. Oh my goodness.
Lots of boulders. And mushrooms. Anything interesting?
What?
Anything interesting?
No. It's a jungle. It's a bunch of trees and vines.
Okay, so there's plenty of signs.
Yes, it's very super obvious. Unlike the other trail, which was not quite clear, this is very clearly marked. Yeah. Okay, well, of course they stopped right after we started recording, but there's some kind of animal. We don't know if it's a bird or a monkey or what, but it was making these crazy angry noises.
They're communicating.
Yeah, they were talking to each other across the trees, and then the one was very far, and then it started getting very close, and then we took out the GoPro and it stopped. Maybe it'll start again, but it was pretty cool. Sorry we couldn't capture that for you guys. Anyway, this is a pretty cool trail, I have to admit. I was thinking it was going to be pretty lame, actually, but it's cool. Wait, now which way do we go?
Wow, that's full of flies.
Oh yeah. Look at all the flies on the mushrooms, guys.
We'll probably go under the trunk.
What?
Because that's
oh yes, that's the way. You see the red marking, guys? Okay, so when you come to this big tree,
filled with ants?
Yeah, filled with ants.
Go under and hope the ants don't cling on to you.
Or you can just go down a little bit and go over.
Well, there are like plenty of mushrooms and flies and whatnot over there too, so I guess we'll
It's not as bad.
I'm gonna go under.
Ow.
Here goes nothing. Back goes first. There we go.
And she made it.
I hit my head.
Oh.
There's a branch here.
Yes. Or you can go this way and be graceful like the king, Dimi. Just kidding. Okay, this is literally like 20 seconds after we just talked to you guys. This is the trail.
I think that's the next red one.
Through all these trees and brush and everything, you see the sign to Blue Pool Summit is this way.
I see the next one.
Yes, it's over here. I see it. You just got to go through these trails in Sarawak, it seems, are not very well maintained. So don't expect a Yellowstone or Rocky Mountain situation where it's like, oh yeah, so clear, so nice, so friendly.
It's literally in the jungle.
Yeah, we are actually in a jungle. The Borneo Highlands.
If you love nature, if you still wander down, like,
yes.
pavements or nothing.
And it's not actually the Borneo Highlands. If you want to see the Borneo Highlands, check out this video here. Just a reminder though, if you do want to come here, this is Permai Resort, Permai Beach. If you ask a local, they will say Camp Permai.
Yeah.
Don't ask me why. You won't find it on Google that way. You'll find it on Google with like Permai Beach or something like that. So yeah, maybe we'll catch those monkey, bird, dragon, whatever they were in a minute, but see you in a minute. Finally catching it. If you guys know what this animal is making this noise, please let us know in the comments, because we have no idea and are mildly terrified. JK, I think only she is.
No, I'm not.
Oh, that's cool. Looks like there's a face.
Wow.
If you look at the picture here, you can see the two eyes and the kind of head outline.
This is
Very
a really cool rock. Great
Yes.
for Instagram pictures, guys.
Yes, if you want to rest also, this would be pretty nice.
The
Especially if
other
it's
two
raining.
hikers we met at the bottom, they should have rested here.
Yeah,
Or maybe this could be their next rest point.
They'll probably be at a rest point. Okay guys, now we've reached the Aztec ruins of Malaysia, it seems, where we have to rope down and rope across the rocky waterfall to go all the way over there. Okay, I'm gonna try and attempt this silly thing. Here I go. Please use caution here, guys. Utilize the rope. Wow, this is slippery. Whoa. Okay, our camera holder right here. But look at this, guys. This is really cool. It actually looks like it's kind of man-made. It's so like clean with the lines and the cuts. It's very pretty. Very cool place to chill out, hang, drink some tuwa if you're feeling crazy. But I wouldn't recommend it because you have to get back up that. Well, actually, that's a lie. You don't have to get back up that. This is actually a loop trail, so you just go around in a circle, so you only see each thing once. So that is a good thing for all these little like crazy parts of the trail. Anyway, she's leaving me behind, so I'm gonna go run past her. What are you talking about?
Look, these look like mini blueberries.
Actually, it might be shit.
Really?
Tiny shits. I wouldn't pick one up.
Oh, okay. What are
special tail. Hey guys, look at this crazy lizard we found. He's got this little colorful tail here, and you can see him. Oh, there he goes. He's running around with his tail up. See? Very cool. But don't worry, not dangerous. Okay, this is very cool, guys. We actually took the ropes from over there, you can see, and we're actually climbing up the waterfall. Very cool stuff. Do you want me to go first?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, hold this. Good for your health. Oh, spider web.
The red one is there. What?
That can't be right.
It's red. It's right. Yeah.
Hiya. Hey, how do you feel after that?
Oh my god, I feel so like confident, like I accomplished something so great today.
Let me show you.
That's definitely an accomplishment.
Yeah, let me show you what both of us achieve.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
First of all, here's a beautiful, beautiful jungle waterfall. And then, as you slowly will realize, this waterfall is actually what we're climbing up. You see? Whoa! Now I have a wet foot. We actually had to climb up this. So, despite what I said earlier, this trail is not for the faint of heart and the out of shape. You know, especially this part is extremely unsafe and slippery, and you have to actually pull yourself up. So, just be careful, guys. It's really cool though once you do it. Like, I climbed a waterfall. James Bond.